articles, 25 parts, more than 100 amendments, because Constitution is a living document. Law is a living document. Law is not static. Law has to change. లా అనేది కాలక్రమేణ మారుతున్న కాలంలో మార్పులకు అనుగుణంగా మారాలి. సో అట్లా కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ అనేది కూడా ఏ లివింగ్ డాక్యుమెంట్. దట్స్ వై కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ హ్యాస్ ఇన్కార్పొరేటెడ్ వేరియస్ issues, challenges which society faced. అందుకే more than 100 mentioning about fundamental rights. Yes, the beauty of constitution is that every citizen should know what kind of rights we have. మనకు మన హక్కుల గురించి తెలియకపోతే మనం ఆ హక్కుల గురించి ఎలా మనం మరి అనుభవిస్తాం. సో దట్స్ వై ప్లీజ్ సైలెన్స్. రైట్స్ ఆర్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ బై ద జ్యుడిషియరీ. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ వయలేషన్, రైట్ టు freedom, right to equality, right to freedom, right to right against exploitation. These are all fundamental rights provided. If any violation of these rights, then there are two important articles. Article 32, directly any person who got violated these rights, they can go to Supreme Court based on Article 32, and also Article 226 respective high courts. So these are all rights. That is the beauty of rights. If any violation, anybody can go and approach, knock the doors, then you can get remedy. That's called constitutional remedies. Article 32 says habeas corpus, manda must cover, and all these rights we have. So this is the constitution or constitutional right. We being a citizen, I think all of we have to know these rights, and more particularly Indian Constitution and rights contained in the Indian Constitution. So this is what there are directive principles also. That's called rights relating to we are as an individual. But there are directive principles. 5th class, 6th class. Anybody? What is the difference between fundamental rights provided in Part 3 from Article 12 to 35? Directive principles from 36 to 51 talks about. What is the distinction between these two? Anybody? That's what I told. Please no discussion, my friend. I am asking you a question. Can anybody? Huh? So that's why we all should know the Constitution. Unless we as a educated people, students, if you don't know, you don't expect this. If any violation happens, you can go to court and you can get remedy from that. Directive principles are directives from the Constitution to the state, say that you do certain things for welfare of the people. That's what directive principles. So any of these are all important. Being a Human Rights Day, human rights and fundamental rights, constitutional rights, all these one should have awareness. One should that any violation comes, we can get remedy. That's so I think again here one important thing is there is a one Human Rights Act I mentioned. I started my discussion saying that Human Rights Act define what do you mean by human rights. This act also provides machinery for implementation of human rights in India. There is the National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commissions, all these also human rights are enforced or human rights are protected by a institution called National Human Rights and State. And more particularly today, lot of human rights are protected by judiciary, I said. So whether it's the Supreme Court of India or various high courts through Article 226, 32 I mentioned. More particularly India, all these rights are again enforced through not only a person who got affected these rights, but others also on behalf of you can also go and approach. That's called PIL, public interest litigation, social interest litigation. All these things courts are entertaining and courts are trying to protect human rights. This is I thought I'll share with you. So thank you once again.